Hello everyone and welcome to yet another video here from Nordicanglers. My name is Daniel and I am happy to announce that in this newsletter, this news video, I'm gonna tell you a lot about our really big sale on flytying stuff. We have located more than 3,000 products in our webshop that we have reduced by 30%. So just now at Nordicanglers, if you go to the web shop and then go to the on sale category, there is a category there that's called Flytying, and in this category we've just dumped more than 3,000 products that are now with 30% discount. This is probably the biggest sale we've ever had at Nordicanglers, and we've basically just taken a lot of products that we have a lot of stock on, and then we have reduced the prices on these for a limited time. So swing by Nordicanglers to see all of this. These are not just products that you know are hard to sell or anything like that. They're very good products this time in this sale, and I want to show you some of these now. For instance, we have reduced the price on a lot of whiting products. In particular, the one I want to show you here is a whiting hen saddle, perfectly suited for instance salmon and sea trout flies, but also for smaller wet flies and stuff. This is the color magenta, and we have quite a few of these items, but also a lot of other whiting products that are on sale. You can find them in the category. The color here is claret, which is a really nice color. You know, this nice wine red color can be used for many things. So if you're in the market for any feathers or any whiting products, then you should swing by the sales category to see these and to check out all of our sales. Another thing that we've just launched on this sale is the top of the line Chemco bobbin. This is the magnetic Chemco bobbin, which has a quite elaborate system down here, so you can completely and safely adjust the tension on your thread very precisely. So again, a really outstanding product here, now at 30% off. The same with a few other items from Chemco. For instance, their classic tying scissors is also on sale just now, and we've also added some of the RESIN UV glues in the Magnum bottles. The RESIN is probably one of the best UV glues out there, and if you tie a lot of flies using UV glue, then this RESIN is probably the way to go. The really big bottle, as you see here, is already cheap, but now it has been further reduced by 30%. It's cheap compared to the normal sized bottles because you get a lot of volume for your money here. But here is the Magnum size, reduced in price as well. We've also added a lot of flesh and a lot of other things, but we've also added just basically a ton of different Songer strips. This is just one example. These are barred pink over or orange. Great for, you know, winter flies, for stocked rainbows, or for sea trout fishing, or if you just wanna really make a salmon or a sea trout fly that just really stands out and just has a lot of color. So it's fluorescent, and basically the quality of the pelt here of the leather is really thin. So swing by again Nordicanglers to see a lot of these as well. There's just a ton of this. The last thing I want to show you today is half a pelt of the besten, which is again it's as fine and as lively in the water as the rabbit. Perfect for Songer flies, but the thing with this is it's slightly shorter than the rabbit, so it's perfect. It's ideally suited for smaller Songer flies or smaller salmon flies. This color in particular is one of the most popular for the Danish rivers. So if you're in the market for anything like that, swing by the sales category. This sale is, as I said, it's our biggest sale ever, and of course some of these products we have quite a lot of, but a lot of these products are quite limited. So if you wanna be sure to get some of this, then swing by the sales category and then basically just browse through it. At the moment we have not compartmentalized Is that how you say it? We've not divided them into subcategories. So basically, just now in this one category at the website, the sales category for fly tying, all 3,000 plus products are just listed there. So go swing by Nordicanglers, check out the sales category, and basically just start scrolling and see if there's anything there that catches your eye, because it's as cheap as it's ever gonna get. So it would mean a lot to us if you would, take a look. Basically, that's it for now. All there's left to say is I wish you all the best of luck out on the water. I'm Daniel, and you can find all these sales at Nordicanglers.